everybody, welcome back to another vlog. So today is December 29, 2021 and currently 6:52 in the morning. So good morning from Manila. Finally, we reached Manila after super haba na biyahe. Yeah. Super nice, but of course we have to stay here in our quarantine hotel for 5 nights and 6 days. So room tour muna tayo, guys, so you guys can see how the room looks like. And yeah, alright, so let's start on the main door, and then from there on the left is the toilet. So nothing special, just the basic shower, toilet, and sink. And then there's a hair dryer. When I arrive, it's malinis naman. And then going out of the toilet is the overview of the room. So this is how it looks like. So magulo na siya, guys, kasi we are here last night pa. And of course, we already ruined the bed. There are 2 beds and we sleep here obviously. And then dito yung mga bagahe namin. I have 2 big bags here. And then, ito yung aking carry-on luggage. I also bring the car seat with me. And then the stroller. Alam niyo naman, traveling with a baby, we have to have those kinds of things. And then we have a TV. And this is the working area. There's also a mini fridge, which is nice to store the food. Ayan. And it's working, guys. Tapos meron tayong 1 gallon of water, which I love because I consume a lot of water and I will be needing this for Enzo's milk. And then they gave us a water pitcher and 2 glasses, drinking glasses. And then nanghiram ako ng universal adapter and they have, which is good. Tapos, nag-request din ako nitong water heater. Originally, this is not included in the room, they say. But yeah, this is important for Enzo's milk as well. Tapos, ito yung menu, room service menu. Dito tayo order ng mga pagkain if we want some additional. Because we're not allowed to order outside food. And yeah, everything will be in the room service menu if we want to have some additionals, but I avail the full board meals, which includes breakfast, lunch, and dinner. But since I have my son, he's not included on that, so mag-order ako ng additional from this menu. Tapos ito, original milk tea. This is from my side. I bring this in case. We also have a hygiene kit here. We have alcohol and face mask inside. Meron din tayong closet here where I put my jacket, trash bags. And then we have a sitting area if you want to enjoy the view of the Manila Bay, the seaside, and then there's the MOA Eye right there. And then Conrad Hotel in front, and there's the IKEA on that side. I'm so excited to go to IKEA, to be honest. And yeah, this is how the whole room looks like. And there's a baby on there, on that side, making a mess. I'm waking up now because I don't want to stay up all night. But this baby, super jet lagged. Yeah, he's still super sleepy. I tried to wake him up, but yeah. I received my lunch. I don't know what do we have here, but it looks like sinigang. And then we have a platter of rice, fruits, and I don't know what this is. Some kind of dessert. And then apple juice. Sarap. Hi everyone! So, nagising na naman kami in the middle of the night. Time now is 23:37 in the evening. Nga pala, earlier tonight, we received some groceries. So, pwede nga palang magpadala ng mga food here from the outside. Kaso nga lang, it has to be delivered by someone you know, like family or friend. Bawal lang yung mga courier service like Grab Food and Food Panda, yung mga ganon. So, this is from my mother. I asked her to buy some stuff. So, we have some biscuits for Enzo, breadsticks, dami, tsaka Marie. Ayan. Ay, fita ba to? Fita. Additional nappies if ever we need some. Because it's super important. We also have peanut butter na gamit na. I don't know why she gave this to me. And then a gardenia bread. Tapos meron ding food. Hindi ko na nga nakain kasi nga natutulog kami kanina. We have Enzo's favorite fruit, which is the banana. Ayan. So, may kakainin na siyang matino. And then, I also got myself, sabi ko, dala niyo ako ng Jollibee. Ayan. I believe this is, what is this? Ah, it's a vegetable meal. Thank you, ma. Ito yung kinakain niya, guys. Marie. Biscuit. So, this is the biscuit that we usually give for the babies, right? So, I told my mom to buy a biscuit, a kind of biscuit na plain. And this is the one. And it seems like he likes it.
The next day.
Guys, it is currently 6:46 in the morning. And I just received my breakfast. So, what do we have here? Oh, rice na naman. Tataba talaga ako dito. We have corned beef, omelette, fruits, orange juice, and rice. It's cold, ah. Grabe, guys. Ito pa rin yung suot ko. And I'm super jet lag. Both of us. Jet lag. It's kind of annoying because, yeah, it's so hard to adjust on the timings, to be honest. Ayan, jet lags are real. So, today is our third day. I'm gonna ask the hotel if paano ako mag-book ng nung aming swab test. So, nakalimutan ko, guys. Maliit pa lang mga saging dito. He's so used on eating big bananas in Argentina. Pero, meron naman yung lakatan ba yun, di ba? Pero, iba yung lasa na ni. I'm giving him breadsticks. Mas bet niya. Maya-maya kakainin ako. Nga pala, I'm watching my friend's vlog, Majel. Ayan. Follow her, guys. She's also a Filipina living in Buenos Aires. Enzo, baby, bebe.
Boo. Boo. Boo.
¿Dónde está la luz? Wow, la luz. There's so many la luz.
The next day.
Hola guys, good morning. It is currently 6:39 in the morning and I'm kind of whispering because as you see, the baby's still sleeping over there. I received my breakfast. We have some sausage, scrambled egg, and rice of course, and some mixed fruits. So today is the 31st of December. Tonight is gonna be New Year's Eve. So obviously we're gonna spend the New Year's here. Kain tayo guys! So this is our official fourth day here in this quarantine hotel. And kahapon nagpabook na ako ng swab test. And they are opening slots for an early appointment. So I took that. They only allow online payments for that. So I grabbed the opportunity. Nagpabook ako ng 12 midnight until 4 a.m. So they're gonna come here and do the swab for us. And then after 8 hours, we will receive the result. Second ayuda. Let's disinfect first. Wow! Fireworks! Happy New Year! 5.
Dada.
5 minutes.
Dada.
Yeah.
Happy New Year! Happy 2022! The last year has been a great challenge, but we survived. Ang mahalaga guys, we are still here and ayun, let's all look forward 2022 with positivity, good vibes, and full of life. So, nagbihis kami ni Enzo, nag-polka dots kami. Buti na lang mayroon kaming matching polka dots shirt. Dress pala to, but anyways, kakatapos lang ng fireworks display dito sa may Mall of Asia. We have a nice view of the fireworks and it's so nice to watch.
The next day.
You want some fish? I'll give you some fish. Are you allowed to eat this? May tinik. Hola guys, good morning. So today is the 2nd of January and this is our 6th and last day here in our quarantine hotel. And I'm super excited to go home. It's been so many days. And ayun, this is our last breakfast here. We have some bangus, you know, the marinated one, and then rice, and then scrambled egg and mixed fruits. Results of the RT-PCR test arrived yesterday at around 2 p.m. I can actually check out yesterday, but I'm super tired and I was like really enjoying my sleep. So I told my mom to just pick us up the next day at the very morning. So she told me at around 9 a.m. she will pick us up so we can go home. I already received the quarantine certificate, so we just have to check out from the front desk and everything's gonna be all good. When it comes to this hotel, I highly recommend it. It's obviously Microtel by Wyndham here in SM Mall of Asia. I really like our stay here, to be honest. There's no major problems or complaints from me. Siguro it's just that maingay whenever the carnival, or that's how you call it. Meron kasi parang amusement park near this area. They tend to shout so loud and you will clearly hear all the shoutings of the people. So ayun, it happens naman every daytime naman. But yeah, every daytime we sleep because we're still jet lagged. Are you ready to go? He's watching the usual thing. So guys, bago tayo mag-check out, I just wanted to share my thoughts about our experience being here in Microtel by Wyndham here in Mall of Asia. So we've stayed here for a total of 6 days and 5 nights. And wala naman akong major complaint regarding our experience. When it comes to the food, they're always on time. And then the selection of the meals, I don't have any problem against that as well. The portion, it's a good amount for me. So the cleanliness when we arrive, it is exceptionally clean. And the front office are very responsive as well whenever I need some clarifications or inquiries. And everything is smooth naman when it comes to all the process. When it comes on selecting your quarantine hotel for non-OFWs, it is very important to do your research about the place, about the location, and what are they offering. It depends. It always depends on your preference, guys. So this one, I choose this place because it's quite close from home, and because of the view of the Manila Bay and then the fireworks display, given the fact na we're gonna stay for New Year's here. So ayun yung mga consider ko. And also they offer this 1 gallon of water, which I really like talaga. It always depends on your preference, your needs.